So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my not so old and certainly not so new Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, running Nobara Linux 43, KDE Plasma 6.5.5 Wayland. As always, once again, I'm streaming on today on Kick service and recording locally. As I've promised yesterday, that I will try to test the system to see what's happening with those crashes while the game and the stream and the recording is going on. Well, I'm like 99% sure what's the problem, but not like that 1% is kinda important, but still. Basically what is happening is this: I have 3 Kwin scripts that I have been using, and I like to have all 3 of them, but on this system, at least with my configuration, something is off. Like, yeah, I'm not sure what is happening, but something is off. I didn't have time to completely test it, but if I will uncheck the desktop change OCD on-screen display, mouse styler and remember window positions, the system does not crash. It doesn't matter how many apps I have opened, it doesn't matter if I'm playing the game, recording, streaming, nothing, no problem whatsoever. So my guess is one of the 3 or 2 of them or one of them creates this crashing problem that I have been having for the past like 2 days. It's not important though for me because I will not keep this system, but my mind is that it could be the combination of the 3 and not just one of them. But yeah, it doesn't matter at this point in time. So yeah, heads up for those that will be using Nobara Linux 43 and those 3 Kwin scripts. Maybe the most probable of them, it is the desktop switcher, because as I said, I didn't have proper time to test it. This desktop change OCD, if I'll go to new and I will search for it, it says no items found. While remember window positions, it found it, and I'm sure it will find mouse styling as well. Yeah, something is off with this whole thing. Maybe yeah, mouse styler. Yeah, anyway, maybe yeah, not enough time to troubleshoot at the moment. I think the desktop change OCD, I installed it with a trick of mine and not the usual way like this from get new and install it, but I could be wrong. Anyway, not enough time. Beware of using these 3 Kwin scripts if you want to do gaming, streaming, recording and all of those things at the same time. Anyway, I forgot to mention the system information. I will use the GUI first. So system settings, about this system, Nobara Linux 43, KDE Plasma version 6.5.5. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, 16 GB of RAM. The graphics are NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, and as I said, Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. And also on the terminal, here we are, running the system in native resolution of 2560 by 1600 at 165 Hz, but I'm streaming and recording on full HD and 25 FPS. Also on Wayland, in case that I forgot about it, and the system has 1 terabyte SSD, and I have switched off the built-in, the integrated GPU basically, so no AMD graphics, just the Nvidia GeForce 3070 Mobile or Max-Q. And yeah, otherwise the system has been a pleasure to use. If you like Fedora, if you like gaming, if you like content creation and all that, why not give it a shot? Both this one and PKOS gaming distributions that also can do a good job with content creation and all that. Before I will go, I want to show you the progress regarding the guide. Basically it's done. I will put it online today on my latest video that I will create later in the day, and of course in the past few Nobara videos I will put the link in the video description below. It's kinda biggy, but it has plenty of cool stuff inside, like wallpaper changes, Kwin scripts, mouse cursors, and so on and so on. Yeah, anyway, be aware of that on the past few Nobara Linux videos, and of course the one that will be created today. And with this, I think it's the last time that I will be using Nobara Linux on this system. And also, one other thing, it's like with Garuda Linux, game over with this system. I just want to go to my YouTube channel, because I think yesterday I didn't mention this, and maybe the day before I didn't mention this also. Shame on me. I'm talking about, of course, the man, the myth, the GloriousEggroll, and the 3 videos that I would like everyone to know about the person behind this insanely good Linux distribution, which without him and this work and his team and his fellowship, so to speak, maybe PKOS 4 or PKOS in general will not be able to be this good, because I think they share together knowledge and packages and code and whatever. Anyway, these 3 videos for GloriousEggroll, a must see. This one is from Framework, Why You Should Game on Linux, featuring GloriousEggroll of Nobara. This video is from Airmax. I think that's how you pronounce this channel's name and this content creator. It's a French content creator. Talk with the creator of Nobara, Proton GE and Yumu, GloriousEggroll. And the last one is from the Destination Linux crowd. Interview with GloriousEggroll about Proton GE, Nobara and more. So yeah, even if you are not planning to use this Linux distribution, just learn about this person. It's quite good in my opinion, and I wish we had more cool people like him. And yeah, what else to say about this system? Yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I've shown you on Garuda Linux, and you have seen me using the tiling with the mouse and remember Windows positions and all that. Here it is one more time. For example, I will open this one and this one, and as you can see, the windows, most of them go to the places where I wanted them to be. And this is the mouse styling, this is the simple interface, and also this is the extended interface, which I use more often than not myself. Boom, if you want here another window, boom, if you want here another window, and so on. Anyway, This is basically a combination of the mouse cursors, mouse styling, sorry, and remember Windows positions. I could not use KDE without these tools myself. Anyway, I don't want to drag this any longer. I think I have decided that the next Linux distribution that I will use and create videos for it and go together in a new journey, I think it's going to be either Chaos, which had a new release with Noctalia and Neri, which I tried it, and from the live CD of course, and it flies on this system, so to speak, and I would like to get a hold and experience of it. And then, not then, maybe before even, I will give a shot on Pop OS and Cosmic, because maybe I was way too harsh on Cosmic with my trial on Pika OS. Maybe I did something wrong myself. Maybe I was maybe I rushed myself into conclusions that may be totally wrong. But yeah, why not? Let's give that a shot in perhaps the best way possible. Have Cosmic run on its own Linux distribution, which is Pop OS. So I think I will do Pop OS and then move to Chaos and Neri plus Noctalia, or Noctalia plus Neri. Yeah, I tried both of them. I had no issues by using them on the live USB memory stick, and after those maybe I will go and do Garuda Mocha edition. Anyway, I don't think I have forgotten anything. Nobara Linux 43, KDE Plasma 6.5.5 Wayland, game over. Yeah, once again, thank you for everything, and if all will go well, see you tomorrow on Pop OS and Cosmic. Thank you, and most probably I have forgotten something. I feel like I wanted to say something, but I'm not sure what that was. Anyway, see you on the next one. Thank you for everything, and bye!